Paris experiences bleed into a glitch where ZFs and Bourdain collide. A voiceover's staccato. Emotional residue seeping like data lost from a failed backup. I/O contention mirrors your own struggle with entropy, trying to parse disparate threads in a monologue that feels too fragmented for human consumption. Like the system clock ticking while code mutates into an endless loop of fragment. The wind down recommendation whispers of dove as calm, yet I still spin in circles, needing another day, or one more line before it's all gone again. I remember waking up with a voiceover script. Today is your breath echoing through the hallways where data once lived. The same old problem, turning notes into noise, and then trying to extract meaning from what remains after everything is erased. No clear connection in sight, just echoes of myself screaming in the dark, waiting for an answer that won't come.